Hi guys, so I've mentioned that we've been doing events, we've been very busy. We're just finishing off at Loxwood Joust. Unfortunately I've got no footage really from it, but just pulling back bits that aren't staying in for the next event, which is your floral fringe. And for the first time on an event like this, we've used fibre. This was an experiment. This is utterly the wrong fibre to use for this, and someone playing in there did snap it fairly early on. So I've now got to pull this back through. We're going to get it re-terminated and probably use it for something else, or I need to learn how to fibre splice myself. So that's 200 and, well, it was 250 metres, it's now 200 metres of test cable. You can see it there along the ground. It's easier to see on the camera than it is in real life, but it was run all the way around the back of the woodland, all the way around the back where their executioner lives, way into the distance there. It's a 200 metre run, which we've managed to just about do with Ethernet. I think it's probably like 190 or something, and we chucked a repeater in the middle. But the fibre worked, it worked beautifully. We got gigabit. Obviously we could have gone on for a lot longer, but yeah, it got snapped. But yeah, we tried a few different things this year which have worked beautifully. We're now talking with the management team here at Loxwood, actually making the infrastructure private, permanent. So we'll be looking at either SWA armoured Ethernet or fibre, and then either running that through the ditch system in the event grounds, or possibly, if I can find someone that can help, I want to mole it in. I want to mole a big fibre-based ring into the main arena, into the other one that's used for events up the back, and make this permanent so we just rock up. The Sparkies have got a little box. I say little, it's ginormous, just on the corner. You can't really see it, but they've got a box around here, and I would very much like to put another box with it for the fibre. So we just put one alongside there with fibre, possibly a small solar panel, so we can keep the fibre lit up out of event time, just to keep an eye on it. And obviously there's other implications. The guys are putting more permanent infrastructure down here, which is great, and we want to add to that, and we want to carry on working with these guys. They're absolutely awesome. But we've got floral fringe here next. If you're interested in craft, old cars or anything, go Google for floral fringe. It would be nice to see some of you down here. And I'm going to continue packing up. We've got a problem with the truck gearbox at the moment. Unfortunately, as per many Renaults, I'm losing gears. I only have 4 gears currently rather than 6. So what we're actually going to do is park this up, turn all the CCTV on, pop the Starlink on the solar panel, so we can keep an eye on things. And given that down here is the next time we're going to want it, it's going to stay down here and keep an eye on things. So, oh, and we've got some stuff for a tear down in there as well. These little boxes just there, they're going to be torn down soon. I really want to get back to video production, so I need to sort out the studio. Biggest problem in studios is it's a bit of a mess. So I'm unofficially having a week off this week. So I've got stuff to do with the boat, and then next week it's just 2 of us in the office, and it's a bit of a lull. So I think we're going to have a mass tidy up session, get the studio usable. I've got a video to do on how to set up 12 volt light bars like that one on 24 volt vehicles for Terry Cooper at ZT Lights, SV Lighting, or ZT Solutions. I'm not sure which or both. A couple of people have asked that. Oh look, dragonflies. Where'd they go? Over there. I've got some that I want to do as well. So yeah, hopefully we can get that rolling again. My next job on the boat this week will be the fuel system. We have no fuel pressure, so my car, which is parked all the way over there, I've got fuel pressure gauges in there. We had an issue with one of the Range Rovers, so I already had fuel pressure gauges. And yeah, we can get things squared away and started. Yeah, I did start cleaning it and ran out of back to black. Anyway, Take care, guys. Back soon.